Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you what options you have if your iPhone 15 doesn't react anymore. And when your iPhone doesn't react to anything you're doing, like let's say you want to swipe or you press on your screen, you want to open an app and it just doesn't work, it doesn't react to you pressing on the screen, then you want to go ahead and perform a forced reboot. And for that you press the volume up button and then the volume down button and then the power on and off button in that order. So we want to press volume up, volume down and the power on and off button until it shuts down. So up, down, and then pressing until the phone shuts down. And now we wait until it comes back to life. So now our phone is back. We need to unlock our phone again, and now we're back in the phone. Hopefully it does react to whatever you're doing now. Additionally, go ahead to your settings and then go to software update and check if you have an update available. That might be useful to download and install that update to maybe fix some bugs in the background. So that's what you can do if your iPhone 15 doesn't react anymore. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.